Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to make balloon sounds like a pro. All you need is a regular old balloon, nothing special, all right? Just a typical balloon. Everyone knows how to make your typical balloon sound. Right? You can do that one there. Or you can get a little bit more creative with it. You do something like this. All right? Or if you want to get to that pro level, this is how you do it. So that's it, guys. That's how you do pro level balloon sounds. Thank you so much for your support. We appreciate you guys. Take care. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.